Okay, so today I'm going to show you guys how to make toasted walnut banana caramel sauce. So you pretty much just toast the walnuts, or you can even toast pecans as well, whatever you have, on a medium-low heat. And the reason why you're going to toast the nuts is because you want them to keep that crunchy texture. And once you toast them, you can go ahead and add. I have hang on, that music's too loud. Okay, so you're gonna add like maybe half a tablespoon of butter, and then you're gonna add a tablespoon of brown sugar. You're gonna allow the heat to melt those ingredients together, and it's gonna make like a caramel sauce. And then once that is done, then you're gonna go ahead and add your bananas. You want to add these at the very end because you don't want them to get mushy. Okay, other things that you can add to this to kind of give it or heighten the flavor would be vanilla extract. And how you really can tell if it's done is you just take a bite. Okay, once you toast nuts, you can like infuse them into the breads that you're gonna bake, but this is gonna be like on a caramel sauce, and I'm actually gonna use this to pour over some pancakes. But the key to toasting these is just to make sure that you don't over toast them. You don't want them to taste burnt. Okay? I think we're ready for the butter. Okay. Add the brown sugar. And then I'm going to let this infuse a little bit, and I'll bring you back. Okay, so we're there. So you see how it's got that glaze there? And then now you can fold in the bananas. And you can add more. And pretty much you're ready to just put this in a serving bowl and drizzle it over ice cream. You can put it over your pancakes. You can even put it over your like a yellow cake mix. So, I mean, the possibilities are endless. I hope that this video, I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. Hope that you guys give it a try. Most importantly, thanks for watching. Take care and God bless.